Are you guys ready? Show me your ready faces. Concepts in this week's episode are electricity, chemical reactions, and voltaic batteries. Hey everybody, this is Crazy Aunt Lindsay, and you are in the Fab Lab. I'm here with my Fab Lab professors, Johnny and Jalen. Say hello.
Hello, everybody.
And we are talking electricity. Today, I'm going to show you how to use lemons to make a battery, and then we're going to use that battery to light a light bulb. Have you guys ever used a lemon to make a light bulb?
Yes.
To make a battery?
Yes.
Really? Where?
In science class.
This project makes a great eco-friendly option when you're out camping and is a perfect go-to if you find all of your batteries dead when the power goes out. Not only that, but this project packs a major wow factor at any school science fair, and if that weren't electrifying enough, wait till you see what we do to make this project fabulous. Let's go. So for this project, what we're going to need is, Johnny, tell us what we need.
Steel wires and copper wires.
And Jalen?
LED lights.
Right. For those LED lights, you want to make sure that they're less than 1.5 watts. That's important because this project is not going to generate that much power, just enough for about 1 to 1.5 watts. We're going to need wire cutters, and then guys,
Lemon.
and
Grapefruit.
which is a really awesome option for this project, and I'll show you why in a minute. All right, guys, let's do it. Johnny, you want to help me cut the wires?
Yes.
Now snip your copper and steel wires to be about 3 inches each. You're going to need 1 copper wire and 1 steel wire per lemon you're using in your project. We have cut our copper and our steel wires. Now, just so you know, these are our electrodes. The first thing you're going to do is squeeze and roll your lemons on a table to help loosen up all the juices. The more juice, the more power. All right, so we're going to put our lemons into our little dishes so that they'll stay. You can also use egg cartons for this part. Now insert 1 copper wire and 1 steel wire about 1 inch apart in each lemon. These wires are your electrodes. I'll put a diagram up on crazyauntlindsey.com so you get the placement just right of your wires. When you touch your steel and copper wire like this, you can feel a little current. Your fingers will get a little warm and they'll tingle a very, very little bit because there's not a lot of voltage in this, but there's still some. You guys feel that?
Yeah.
Now, snip a longer piece of copper wire, about 5 inches long. Use this copper wire to connect your copper electrode in your first lemon into the steel electrode in the second lemon. You're going to want to alternate your copper to steel electrode connection for each lemon. Again, make sure you reference the diagram on crazyauntlindsey.com. Wrap a copper wire around the base of the light bulb. Doesn't work. Are we not using enough lemons? I said we might need to use more lemons. Okay, so now we've got 2, 4, 6 lemons and a 7th grapefruit, and now we're going to see if we have enough power to make our LED light bulb work.
That is awesome!
Oh my gosh, this is insane! This is crazy. Okay, so this is the first time I've ever done this project, and we definitely had a hard time getting it working, which is why you see all of these lemons and grapefruit hooked up, but it actually works, and I'm mesmerized. It's awesome.
It's amazing.
You guys love this project? How cool is it?
Yeah, it's better than a house being under construction.
I hope you guys can see this, but the galvanized steel has actually changed colors through the process of our electrical experiment. See how it's a little bit darker here? This is the part that was inserted in the lemon. This is evidence of your chemical reaction. Now this is a really important warning. Do not, I repeat, do not eat the grapefruit, lemon, or any fruit that you might use for this type of project. Very toxic materials gets absorbed into the fruits and you don't want to be digesting that stuff. Now you might be asking yourself, Crazy Aunt Lindsey, what's going on here? The type of battery that this lemon project creates is called a voltaic battery, and that's because it uses chemical energy to make electricity. Citric acid is the stuff that makes sours lemon. Now, citric acid is the stuff that makes lemons taste sour, and it is also used as a buffer in everyday household cleaning agents, just like this non-toxic glass cleaner that we made in our study of pH balance. Just in case you were wondering,
Citric acid has a pH balance of 3.
now, we learned in our carbonic colors episode from season 2 all about how acids are unstable compounds. They're unstable compounds because their hydrogen atoms are stuck on all loosey-goosey, and the slightest disruption causes them to fall off faster than a toddler on a seesaw. Citric acid is made up of 6 carbon atoms, 8 hydrogen atoms, and 7 oxygen atoms. So that's 8 hydrogen atoms that are just hanging on by a thread. But the truth is, all chemicals really want to be stable and strong, like the Hulk. In this case, the metals in the project, the copper and the zinc coating the steel wires, are the kickballs. But instead of just bouncing off of the compound, they stick to it, replacing the hydrogen atoms that have fallen off. So the way this lemon battery works is the acid in the lemon is an electrolyte, an energy conducting solution. The electrolyte, the acid, causes a chemical reaction between the 2 metals, or electrodes, stuck in the lemons. Electrons are attracted to one electrode while leaving the other, and back and forth. This interaction is creating energy. That energy is called electricity, and that is what powers your light bulb. So there's the science. Now let's make it fabulous.
How are we?
We're gonna make Fab Lab Lanterns. This is gonna be super simple. All you're gonna do is take a piece of fabric. This fabric that I'm using actually came from old discards from a dress. Now just measure it out, cut it, wrap it around whatever you're going to use for your lantern. We're using canisters that we got from the dollar store. And sew it up. Now slip it onto your canister or onto whatever you're going to make your lantern out of. Now drop your light bulb in, close it up, and you're done. Fab Lab Lanterns, baby. Oh yeah. What is a voltaic battery? What type of acid is found in lemons and grapefruits that react with the metals in this project? What color are Crazy Aunt Lindsey's nails? Did you guys like that project? For more chemical reactions from Crazy Aunt Lindsey, please check out my carbonic colors episode from season 2. If you like this project, please hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe. I am always up to no good on Facebook /Crazy Aunt Lindsey. I am also very playful and having a great time on Twitter, handle Aunt Lindsey, as well as making Pinterest boards at pinterest.com/Aunt Lindsey. This is Crazy Aunt Lindsey, and we made a lemon battery today.
Why didn't you say these are one of my favorite kids?
Because you are my favorite.
Really?
Yes, Johnny.